Here's how I use N8N to post Instagram carousel straight from your Notion database. So this is my N8N workflow. So ang flow niya is it will retrieve all your draft posts or status as draft from your Notion database page. So meron siyang prompt na, then status, then reference image, then kung ano yung AI model, and then kung ano yung type, which is carousel, and then also yung orientation, then the source of your prompt and the image upload. So from there, i-retrieve na yung N8N, yung workflow natin. This is an N8N database table. Based from your AI model kasi, mabubuo or anong gagamitin na URL from file, because I'm using file AI to generate the image. So from there, if I use Nano Banana, so yung URL is Nano Banana. If I use a different model like one, it will be one AI model. Tapos from there, it will loop and then generate each image and then download it and save it in the Notion database and tag it for ready to post. Then for all of those pages na ready to post, ipopost natin siya to Instagram. So kunin muna natin user ID based from your access token. Then for every image, you need to create a media. And then from the media, you put all of those media sa IG container. And then from your IG container, check status muna if it's finished, and then post to Instagram. Then after that, tag all of your those pages sa Notion as posted. So let's try to run this. So hopefully it will work. So ang expectation is dapat magpo-post siya sa ating Instagram na naka-carousel with how many? So dapat 4 na images yun. So let's run it. So it will just take us 3 minutes. So there, bilis. Kinuha niya haragad yung isang image. So meron ako waiting time here na 10 to 15 seconds just to make sure everything's okay sa complete status. Then nag-start na siya another image kasi naka-loop siya from here. Ayan, loop over items, generate image using file, then wait, then check status if completed. If not complete, you just go back and wait, then check status again if completed. So let's see. Okay, then update sa Notion database. Then we're already in the third image.